Good morning. I'm on my way to a Cars and Coffee, and I've never seen anybody do different ways of mounting an Insta360 on your car. So I thought I would try that this morning as I'm making my drive. The first one is obviously this on the back. Did the 3 on the glass and 2 on the trunk. But I'm gonna be mounting it in multiple different areas, trying to get different views and seeing what looks good and what kind of different looks we can go for. Here's the second setup. I'm not sure how long I'm going to keep it because that one does not connect, which I understand why, but it's pretty solid. So here's the third way I thought I'd try. It's going to pick up the wheel and then I can angle it and get the Hellcat logo and the graphic in the back. But it will pick up the wheel and the steering driving, so we'll see how that looks. We're going to try it right here to pick up the exhaust system a little bit. It feels solid. I don't like it. I may not go that far with it, but we'll see how that goes. That's all the mounts I did. I ended up getting to that Cars and Coffee, hanging out with a couple people, checking out the cars, and then upon leaving, everybody was doing smoky burnouts, and I wasn't thinking. I just thought, you know, I'm not going to do that. I don't know. I regret it. I should have just roasted them. I should have put the 360 cam on the back and just roasted the things for everybody, so I regretted it, but I just accelerated a little bit and got out of there. Try to be respectful, but everybody else is doing it and everybody seems to be having a good time and enjoying it, so I just missed my opportunity, I guess. But those are the ways I mounted. Take it for a grain of salt, give it a shot. If you don't like it, don't do it. If you're worried, don't do it. Let me know if there are other ways that you've mounted yours, and I might give that a shot and see what kind of views I can get as far as the angles on the car. So thank you. God bless.